This video shows how to buy shares of Western Union Company and answers the search intent, how to buy shares of Western Union Company. Western Union is a global money transfer and payments firm listed on NASDAQ under the ticker WU. This is an educational guide, not financial advice. You will need a broker to trade, and I'll use eToro as the example platform to demonstrate the steps. After signing up, you must verify your account with a valid ID and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker WU to find the listing. Select the result that clearly shows Western Union Company on NASDAQ. Open the asset page to review basic company information and the price chart. Confirm the listing details match Western Union Company before proceeding. Tap the Invest or Buy button. Enter the amount you want to purchase, then review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, the order may be queued as a market or limit order. And if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Your new position will appear in your portfolio after execution. A link to eToro is provided in the description if you want to explore the platform further.